Well, it's that time of year again. We're nearing the halfway point of 2024, which means we have a new Supercars release from Seiko. If you're a motorsports enthusiast, a Seiko fan, or you just enjoy a good-looking watch, then stick around for this unboxing and review. Seiko's Supercars Limited Edition watches have been smash hits over the last few years, and this 2024 model is no exception. The SRP L01K is presented in this large display box with this steering wheel cutout that lets you take a peek inside. Opening it up with the help of this button on the front here, we are greeted with a luscious interior reminiscent of a fancy sports car. In this box we get the watch, a spare silicone band, and a limited edition commemorative coin, which lets you know which number watch you have because these are limited to just 2024 watches. The extra silicone band has this weaved texture and it's fairly soft and flexible, so I'm confident that it's going to be a very comfortable wear. Alright, let's just take a look at the watch. This is a Seiko 5 Sports, meaning we get the tried and true 4R36 movement, which allows 41 hours of power reserve. The dimensions and other specs will be the same as every other Seiko 5 watch. So that means a 42.5mm case diameter, a 100m water resistance, and a see-through case back. So everything's normal there. It's nothing we haven't seen before. And that isn't a bad thing because these movements are great. And the Seiko 5 is a great watch with or without any limited edition lacquer on top. But I must say, this particular model includes a great fit out. From the checkered bezel to the retro handset, and the splash of red inside that dial, this is a fantastic looking watch. Honestly, I tend to think the regular Seiko 5 handset is a bit chunky, so these thinner hands feel much more sleek in comparison. And this sentiment is also continued in the hour markers. Of course, those hands and markers do include some LumiBright to increase visibility in low light situations. Now, the dial is black with a sunburst appearance. Other details on the dial include this red ring under the hour markers and more markings on the edge of the dial. At 3 o'clock, there's a day and date window to be found, a feature that I always appreciate. And overall, I love the use of stainless steel, black, and splashes of red throughout the dial. It sort of does look like a race car. Okay, this bezel is probably screaming out to you by now, and fair enough because it is quite loud. I personally love the look of this checkered pattern, which has got to be a representation of a final flag used in races, but I can see how some may not like it. It's quite busy and it may distract from the dial. However, I love the retro look and I think it makes for some great texture. This bezel really reminds me of a recent Seiko 5 release under the SRP K09K Retro Color model. We actually have done an unboxing on that, so if you want to check that out, there will be a pop-up on the screen right now. And it could be a good middle ground if you don't like the checkered pattern, but you still want that textured bezel like this. Now, this Supercars Limited Edition is made from stainless steel all the way around, and it's got a black ion coating. The bracelet is a fairly standard 3-link design with a one-touch 3-fold clasp and a branded safety clasp. And there you go, that is the 2024 Seiko 5 Supercars Limited Edition watch, presented in this beautiful box with an extra band, the coin, and of course the watch. And that's pretty much everything you need to know about this model. What do we all think? Would you buy it? Would you wear it? Would you gift it to a friend? Let me know in the comments down below. Personally, I'd wear this watch with a denim jacket, maybe off to the local racetrack to watch some races. But let me know, how would you style this watch? Would you wear it with just a t-shirt? Would you wear it to the office? Let me know. Well, thank you all for watching. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe for more watch content.